Detective Raymond Harris sat confidently in his office, reviewing the high-profile cases he had brought to trial. Known for his hard-nosed approach, he often operated under the belief that his actions were beyond reproach. However, beneath his polished exterior lurked a history of racially motivated misconduct, which he cleverly hid behind his badge. One day, Harris received a new case involving a young black woman named Mia Thompson, whom he accused of theft in a luxury store. Though Mia had countless times explained that she was the victim of a mistaken identity, Harris remained adamant. He believed that the store's surveillance footage showed her unmistakably. Confidently, Harris brought Mia to court, dismissing her pleas and evidence proving her innocence. He sat back with an air of arrogance, feeling certain that the jury would side with him, as they always had. However, this time, the courtroom had its eyes locked onto him with more scrutiny than he anticipated. Mia's attorney, a fierce advocate and well-versed in civil rights cases, presented an irrefutable argument. She introduced evidence, including time-stamped social media posts and witnesses, proving Mia's presence miles away from the store at the time of the theft. Furthermore, a renowned forensic video analyst pointed out the errors in the surveillance footage. The crux of the trial came when Mia's attorney highlighted a pattern of racial discrimination in Harris's previous cases, revealing complaints and overlooked inquiries. The tide in the courtroom shifted rapidly. With the revelations, the jury no longer saw Mia as a suspect but a victim of a flawed system. They unanimously declared her not guilty, and the fallout from the case reverberated through the department. Harris's unchecked power and racial biases were brought to light, prompting an internal investigation. The case transformed Mia into an advocate for justice, pushing for change within law enforcement policies. Detective Harris, once proud and untouchable, faced a sobering realization: the higher you climb on the back of injustice, the harder you fall.